Locking in for 15 years might sound like a long commitment, but imagine the payoff. A lifetime of financial security, freedom, and the chance to live life on your own terms. It's about making a strategic decision now to set yourself up for success in the future. Whether you're looking to retire early, build a passive income stream, or secure a comfortable lifestyle, a 15-year lock-in plan can be your ticket to achieving those goals. This concept is not just about working hard now, but about working smart, understanding how to leverage your time and resources to generate wealth for years to come. In this journey, I'll break down how locking in your efforts, investments, and strategic planning for 15 years can unlock unparalleled earnings potential for the rest of your life. Let's explore the top 10 reasons why this approach works and how it can transform your financial future. At number 10, we have the power of compound interest. One of the most significant benefits of locking in for 15 years is that it gives your money the time it needs to grow through the magic of compounding. When you invest your money, you earn returns on your initial investment, and over time, those returns begin to generate returns themselves. This creates a snowball effect that accelerates your earnings as the years go by. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful this compounding effect becomes. By locking in for 15 years, you allow your investments the time they need to grow substantially, which can lead to exponential wealth creation. This is why starting early is crucial. The sooner you begin, the longer your money has to compound and the more wealth you can build. Coming at number 9, locking in for 15 years allows you to take advantage of long-term investment opportunities. Short-term investments can be risky and unpredictable, as market fluctuations can quickly impact your returns. However, long-term investments tend to be more stable and offer better returns. When you commit to a 15-year plan, you can invest in assets that have a track record of long-term growth, such as real estate, stocks, or mutual funds. These assets may experience short-term volatility, but they have historically provided solid returns over the long run. By committing for 15 years, you can ride out the ups and downs of the market and reap the benefits of long-term growth. This approach minimizes the risk of panic selling and helps you stay focused on your financial goals. At number 8, we focus on developing a skill set that enhances earning potential. Locking in for 15 years doesn't just mean investing money, it also means investing in yourself. By dedicating time to developing skills, gaining experience, and building a solid professional network, you can significantly increase your earning potential. Think of it as planting seeds. Each new skill you learn, each connection you make, and every bit of experience you gain adds value to your professional portfolio. Over 15 years, these efforts compound just like your financial investments. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a software tool, or becoming an expert in a niche market, these skills can open doors to higher-paying job opportunities, freelance gigs, or even your own business ventures. Coming in at number 7, diversifying income streams plays a crucial role. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's unpredictable economy. Locking in for 15 years gives you the time and opportunity to build multiple income streams, which can provide financial stability and growth. You can start by investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business. Over time, as these ventures grow, they can provide steady streams of passive income, which means you're earning money even when you're not actively working. Diversification is key to reducing risk. If one income stream falters, others can help keep you afloat. By the end of the 15-year period, you'll have built a robust financial safety net that can sustain you for life. At number 6, consistency and discipline are highlighted as essential elements of this strategy. Building wealth over 15 years requires a consistent approach to saving, investing, and improving your skills. This means setting a budget, sticking to it, and making regular contributions to your investment accounts. It also means being disciplined enough to avoid unnecessary spending and staying focused on your long-term goals. Consistency might sound simple, but it's often the most challenging part of the process. It requires patience, self-control, and the ability to stay motivated even when progress seems slow. However, the results can be life-changing. Over 15 years, your consistent efforts will accumulate, leading to significant financial gains that can provide you with lifelong security and freedom. At number 5, having a strategic financial plan comes into play. It's one thing to save money, but without a plan, it's easy to get sidetracked or make impulsive decisions. A 15-year lock-in period allows you to create a detailed financial plan that outlines your goals, the steps you need to take to achieve them, and the milestones you should reach along the way. This plan serves as a roadmap, helping you stay on track and measure your progress. It also provides a sense of direction, making it easier to make decisions about where to invest your money and when to make adjustments. A well-thought-out plan considers your risk tolerance, financial situation, and long-term objectives, ensuring that you're always moving toward your ultimate goal of financial freedom. At number 4, we have the importance of building a strong savings habit. Saving is the foundation of wealth building, and by locking in for 15 years, you develop a habit of consistently setting aside money. It's not just about saving a large sum once in a while, but about making regular, smaller contributions over time. This consistent habit makes it easier to manage your finances, as you're always working toward your savings goals. Over 15 years, even small amounts can grow significantly, especially when invested wisely. This habit also helps you prepare for unexpected expenses and emergencies, ensuring that you're not caught off guard by financial setbacks. Coming at number 3, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The 15-year lock-in approach leverages the power of time to maximize returns. Investments grow more efficiently over longer periods, and time allows you to take advantage of market cycles, compound interest, and reinvestment opportunities. By starting early and committing for 15 years, you give yourself the flexibility to adjust your strategy as needed, and the patience to let your investments grow without the pressure of making quick, short-term gains. Time also allows you to learn and improve as an investor, making you more knowledgeable and strategic over the years. At number 2, the focus shifts to reducing debt and financial liabilities. One of the most effective ways to improve your financial situation is to reduce or eliminate debt. By locking in for 15 years, you can create a plan to pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards or loans, freeing up more of your income to invest and save. Reducing debt also improves your credit score, making it easier to secure favorable terms on loans or mortgages in the future. Over time, the money you save on interest payments can be redirected toward investments, further enhancing your earning potential. This approach not only builds your wealth but also reduces financial stress, giving you peace of mind and greater control over your finances. Finally, at number 1, the power of compounding self-improvement. Locking in for 15 years isn't just about financial investments, it's also about personal growth. The more you invest in yourself, the more you can earn. Over 15 years, you have the opportunity to continually improve your skills, learn new things, and grow both personally and professionally. This self-improvement compounds over time, leading to better job prospects, higher earning potential, and greater career satisfaction. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, or attending workshops, every bit of knowledge you gain adds to your value. In the long run, this makes you more adaptable, resilient, and capable of seizing new opportunities as they arise. The combination of these 10 elements, compound interest, long-term investments, skill development, diversified income streams, consistency, strategic planning, savings habits, leveraging time, debt reduction, and self-improvement, creates a comprehensive approach to building lasting wealth. By locking in for 15 years, you set the stage for a lifetime of financial success. This strategy isn't about quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making thoughtful, strategic decisions that pay off over the long term. If you're willing to commit, stay disciplined, and consistently work toward your goals, you can unlock a future of financial freedom and abundance. The journey might require patience, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As you progress, you'll find that the habits and skills you develop over these 15 years will continue to benefit you long after the period has ended. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start building the life you've always dreamed of, consider locking in for 15 years. Develop a plan, stay committed, and watch as your efforts grow into a lifetime of earnings potential. For more insights on building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and living a fulfilling life, subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more tips, strategies, and inspirational stories to help you on your journey to success. Your future starts today.